Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to convert a PDF file into images for free. Quick, easy, and with no software installation required. First, here is the PDF file we'll be converting. Now, let's begin.
Open Google Chrome, then click on the search bar. Type mobysystems.com and press Enter. Once the website loads, select Moby PDF. Next, click on Moby PDF Online. From the available tools, choose PDF to Image. Now, click on Choose File. Then select the PDF file you want to convert. After selecting it, click Convert. Wait a moment while the system processes your PDF. And there it is. The conversion is complete. Go ahead and click Download your file. Then, open your downloaded file. Since it's a compressed file, you'll need to extract it. Right-click the file and select Extract here. And here we have it. These are the images generated from PDF file. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.